Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Android 4.4 KitKat on your Windows PC. To install the Android KitKat on your PC, you need to download Oracle VirtualBox and Android x86 4.4 image. See video description for download links. Press download Oracle VirtualBox latest version. Then download Android x86 4.4 ISO image. See video description below for download links. After downloading VirtualBox and Android image, install VirtualBox. Start the VirtualBox after the installation. Create a new virtual machine. Name. OS type is Linux. Version is Linux Other. Then click Next. Select memory size. Better to have enough RAM. I configured 1 GB. Click Next. Click Create. Click Next. Click Next. Click Create. Start the virtual machine. Then select Startup Disk. Browse and attach the downloaded Android 4.4 ISO image. Click Start. Select the installation option. Create a new partition. With the default options, press New. Select Primary and Next Screen, and press Enter to allocate full size for the partition. Then select Write to save the settings we did earlier on the partition. To confirm, type Yes and press Enter. Then next select Quit. Once you have come out of Partition tool, choose the newly created partition to start the installation. Select ext3 format and enter. Press Yes to format. Also select Yes to install bootloader. Again, Yes to install /system directory as read-write. Successfully installed Android KitKat on Windows with VirtualBox. Reboot the virtual machine to use. Once the Android KitKat has been successfully installed, remove the ISO from CD, DVD drive of virtual machine and restart the VM. Now you can set it up just like a new Android tablet. On the Select Wi-Fi screen, just click Skip. VirtualBox will use your host computer's network card for data connectivity. Click No. Not now. Date and time. Enter your name. And click Next. That's it. Now you can experience the latest Android KitKat on Windows PC. Share your experience via comments. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoy, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thanks.